Hello guys, today we're going to create this flyer design mockup in just a few simple steps. You can also use this mockup for things like letterheads and brochures, so without further ado, let's get started. Go to Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this. Right-click and convert it to a smart object. Go to Move tool and rotate like this. Right-click and choose Distort. Try to match with the perspectives of background image like this. Right-click and choose Warp, and adjust like this.
Now in the Layers panel, click this icon to create a new layer and drag it below the rectangle layer like this. Rename it to Shadow. Now go to Pen tool and choose black color. Then let's draw like this to add a shadow to the paper. Right-click on the shadow layer and convert it to Smart Object. Then go to Filters, Blur, choose Gaussian Blur. Let's change blending mode to Multiply and reduce opacity bit to make shadow realistic. Let's rename Rectangle to Double-click to place design. And change layer color by right-click here so you can easily find it. Now double-click on this icon. Place the flyer design or any other design you want. You can use like brochures, letterheads, and more. Now we have to add some lightings to make it realistic. So create a new layer. Let's right-click and clipping mask it to the smart object. Then rename it as Lightings to better recognition. Now go to Brush tool and choose a soft round brush. Make sure foreground color is white. So now draw over the flyer to add some lightings like this. Careful where the light is coming from. Let's change blending mode to screen and reduce opacity like this. Perfect! It's all done. You can double-click here anytime and place any design you want, just like this. No need to download mockups from websites anymore. You can create your own. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the like button. We've got more videos coming, so make sure to subscribe. Have a great day and see you next time.